Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to clear your cache on the RedNote app. So if you're having some issues on the RedNote app, say for example, maybe image is not loading or a video is not loading, or maybe your For You page is showing you the same thing, then let me show you how you can clear cache on the RedNote app. So before you begin, you want to first go to your app store. You want to search for the RedNote app and you want to make sure that's been updated to the latest version. Once that's updated, you want to go ahead and open the app. Now in the app, you want to go ahead and tap on the three lines at the top left. From this menu, you want to find Settings, tap on it. So from this menu here, you need to find Clear Cache. As you can see, it's currently taking up 1.05 GB of space. So we can go ahead and tap on that and to expand it. And this will show you what is exactly taking up the space. And now from here, go ahead and tap on this red button here. This will now clear your cache. And there you go guys, that is how to clear cache on the RedNote app. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.